Okay, now I am moving towards Jannat-ul-Baqi. It is the place where all the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the family members of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam companions and a lot of shahadas of Badr is resting. So here is all the place of Jannat-ul-Baqi. Now I am standing here. I will try to I will try to climb this boundary, and I will give you a live example, and I will give you a live demonstration of Jannat-ul-Baqi. MashaAllah. Say Alhamdulillah salli ala Sayyidina Mawlana Muhammadu wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. I just climbed this boundary, and now we are here in Jannat-ul-Baqi. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Ashhadu anna la ilaha illa kulli shay'in qadir. This is the place where the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is resting. Their family member is resting, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu family, some of the family members is resting, and the shahada of different battles has been resting, and some people who died here during performing during performing visit to the Roza Rasul has been buried. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. MashaAllah. This is Jannat-ul-Baqi. I just want to discuss one thing here. In Pakistan, India and different places, the graveyard is filled with flowers and fragrance, water, plants. But see, this is the real example of simplicity. All these people who are buried here is all belongs to Shahada, all Shahada, companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You know, their position are on the next level. But now in our country, what type of situation is of graveyard? But this is the real example of simplicity. See this. These all are the companions. MashaAllah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Ashhadu anna Allah. There is lot of pigeons here flying and sitting. MashaAllah. And the Jannat-ul-Baqi is quite large. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. A lot of pigeon is sitting. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.